Let's explore one of the key tools in our Building Code Compliance Review app, the NBC 2020 Exiting Compliance Reviewer. This powerful feature helps you quickly identify exiting violations and even suggests improvements to optimize your design for compliance. Here's how it works. Fill out the required forms, provide the necessary information about the project, the details necessary for determining the relevant code sections and requirements for exiting. You can also add custom instructions for the AI to tailor the review to your needs. Then, upload your documents. Submit your drawings in PDF format. Optionally, include your company's custom design requirements. These will take precedence over the default NBC 2020 rules. Don't worry, if you do not have custom requirements to upload, the AI reviewer will use the NBC 2020 requirements for its review. By the way, some tools like this one focus on specific sections of the NBC for maximum accuracy, while other tools consolidate all findings into a comprehensive summary report. The AI-powered analysis will start when you hit the Generate button. Our AI first checks your design against any custom requirements you've provided. Then it performs a detailed review based on the hard-coded NBC 2020 standards. Within just a minute or two, depending on file size, you'll receive a detailed compliance report. No more tedious manual checks, just fast, reliable results. Bear in mind that the results may vary depending on how clear the drawings are, but we can provide you the guidelines on how to prepare your PDFs for the best parsing of data. But that's not all. This tool also includes an AI assistant for real-time support. Need help interpreting the report? Just ask. Want deeper insights into your drawings? The AI can analyze them. Have questions about how the tool works? Get instant answers. We're always improving, so if you have feedback or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Just click on the contact button from our website. So, calling all architects. Tired of spending hours manually checking your designs for code compliance? Let us simplify your workflow. Want to try it yourself? For demo access, simply request a key code via the contact button on our website. Thanks for watching, and happy code reviewing!